Are you looking for the best slackline kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best slackline kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Flybold Slackline Kit with Training Line Tree Protectors. Flybold has made sure that this slackline kit is complete with everything you need. They have included tree protectors, training line, main line, ratchet for training line, arm trainer, ratchet for main line, ratchet protector, and tree protectors. All these pieces combine to help you improve balance and fitness while giving you real fun. The kit boasts a longer walking line of 57 feet instead of the normal 50 feet to ensure that you get results pretty fast. Its arm trainer promotes better balance and correct arm position, while its training line makes it perfect for beginners to improve their balance before walking without support. The main slackline has a 5T brake load and can safely hold up to 300 pounds. At number 4, Macaco 52 feet by 2 inches Slackline Complete Set. The Macaco Slackline set comes with all basic pieces to make sure your workout needs are comfortably met. It includes 1x16 meter specific webbing, 1x compact ratchet with ergonomic grip and loop, how to slackline booklet, 1x drawstring bag and 1x fire toys, and 1x pair of bark, tree protectors. This set is designed and safety tested in the UK to ensure its quality and safety is unquestionable. Moreover, it comes with a detailed instruction for easy setup and takedown. The instruction has comprehensive images to avoid confusion, especially during setup. Apart from being ideal for all levels of experiences, the Macaco Slackline Complete Set has a 3-ton braking load, meaning it will safely support your weight. At number 3, Trailblaze Strongest Quality Slackline Kit. Boasting unbeatable quality, the Trailblaze Complete Slackline Kit promises to last forever. It has well-made ratchets, and it is tested to withstand more than 300 pounds. In addition, it offers a full-body workout to help improve mental clarity, posture, core strength, and, of course, general health. It is arguably one of the best Christmas gifts for your kids. With it, you will be able to keep your little ones outside and very much active. The Trailblaze Complete Slackline Kit is also flexible and perfect for all levels of experiences. Plus it is very easy to set up, so you can begin doing your workouts immediately you get it. The 100% money-back guarantee and the manufacturer's lifetime warranty make this kit a perfect purchase. At number 2, Slackline Industries Slackline Complete Kit with Tree Protection. Made for intermediate users and beginners, the Slackline Complete Kit is what you need to improve your balance and posture. It features a custom-designed weave, which offers flexibility to jump or walk while maintaining adequate stability for effortless learning. Besides, it is 2 inches wide, meaning it is easy to use. It is also highly versatile and you will find it helpful for improving core strength, balance, and coordination. Best of all, this complete kit does all these without sacrificing the fun needed during workouts. Use it for a birthday party, large get-togethers, summer camping, and many more. The kit's reinforced loop and 8 feet webbing firmly anchor it to make it incredibly easy to set up and take down. This kit exceeds US safety standards, and it is recommended for ages 5 years and above. At number 1, Trailblaze Strongest Slackline Kit. Trailblaze understands that slacklining has a lot of health benefits. That's why they have come up with this super strong slackline kit. Well, the kit includes a main slackline, a ratchet loop strap, tree protectors, drawstring carry bag, gift box packaging, and instruction booklet. The main slackline is 2 inches wide to make sure you have an easy time finding balance. There is also embossed webbing that makes it easier to get a stunning grip with your feet. Ideally, the aforementioned instruction booklet features step-by-step visuals to make the kit easy to set up and take down. Whether you want to mitigate stress and anxiety, improve focus or reduce depression, the Trailblaze Strongest Slackline Kit should be a frontier for you. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.